guys, I am Tripti and in this video I will guide you step by step how to reset your Cisco WLC 5520. So first power on the WLC, then plug a network cable into port 1 and please make sure this cable is connected to a switch where a DHCP server is already configured. And now we will access the CLI. So here we can check the existing configuration on Mesh WLC. The commands show interface summary. So you can see the existing configuration on this device. I'm going to reset the device and proper configure from start. So restart the device as soon as the boot process begins. Press escape for the boot option. So press escape for the boot option. You can see fifth clear configuration. So we will type 5 and enter this. Once the device reboot, it will ask you for the initial configuration. And after completing the configuration, type yes. So once the device boots up, type show interface summary and check the interface summary what we have configured. So here you can see the device boots up properly. Now we will log in the WLC and check what we have configured. So you can see the configuration done. Now I will ping my switch from the WLC to check reachability. So they both are reachable to each other. Now before taking GUI access, I have to make my PC also in the same network. So I'm going to configure my PC in the same network. As I mentioned, the switch already having DHCP configuration, so my PC will get IP from DHCP. So you can see the PC is getting network. So they are in the same network. Now I am going to log in GUI with the WLC IP 10.10 1.14. So here you can see the WLC GUI, and now we will click on advanced. And you can see port 1 is up like in the network, and after that we will click wireless. Here you will get the information of APs which is onboarded to the WLC. Thank you for watching this video.